Backtracking is a systematic method for solving constraint satisfaction problems by exploring all potential solutions. It involves recursively building candidates and abandoning them if they fail to satisfy constraints. This approach is crucial in problems like n-queens and Sudoku, where it efficiently narrows down possibilities to find valid solutions. Backtracking is a systematic exploration method for solving problems by building candidates and abandoning them if they can't lead to a solution. It excels in constraint satisfaction problems, intelligently pruning the search space. Essentially, it's depth-first search with early failure detection, making it more efficient than naive enumeration. Backtracking systematically explores all possible solutions by building candidates and abandoning them when they can't lead to a valid solution. It's like navigating a maze, exploring paths, and backtracking at dead ends. This method excels in constraint satisfaction problems, efficiently pruning the search space by detecting failures early, unlike brute force approaches. The backtracking paradigm involves 3 key steps: choose, explore, and unchoose. First, make a decision and add it to the current solution candidate. Next, recursively explore all possibilities from this state. Finally, remove the decision to backtrack and explore alternatives. This unchoose step differentiates backtracking from simple recursion, enabling efficient exploration of multiple paths. The backtracking template is a structured approach to problem solving. It involves checking if a candidate is a valid solution, iterating over choices, validating them, and using recursion to explore possibilities. The unchoose step is crucial, as it allows backtracking by removing choices, ensuring efficient exploration without redundant state copies. Backtracking is ideal for constraint satisfaction problems like Sudoku, where configurations must meet specific criteria. It's also effective in combinatorial problems, generating permutations or subsets. In pathfinding, it explores multiple routes through mazes. Additionally, it excels in optimization under constraints, finding optimal solutions where greedy methods fall short. The n-queens problem involves placing n-queens on an nxn chessboard without any 2 queens threatening each other. This requires ensuring no shared rows, columns, or diagonals. It's a classic example of backtracking, where each placement decision impacts future possibilities. Conflicts prompt backtracking to explore alternative positions, avoiding impossible paths. The n-queen solution uses a list to represent the board, where boardy indicates the queen's column in row I, preventing row conflicts. The isSafe function checks for column and diagonal conflicts. The backtrack function explores valid placements, appending solutions when a valid configuration is found. This approach efficiently navigates the search space. The n-queens problem has a time complexity of O(n) in the worst case, but pruning reduces operations significantly. Space complexity is O(n) due to the recursion stack and board representation. The isSafe check effectively prunes the search space, showcasing backtracking's power in avoiding invalid configurations through constraint checking. Generating permutations is a classic backtracking problem. The function permute uses recursion to explore all orderings of distinct elements. By choosing an element, exploring further, and then unchoosing, it efficiently builds permutations. An alternative in-place swap method enhances space efficiency, reducing it from O(n)(2) to O(n). Optimizing permutation generation involves using a set to track used elements, reducing the need for new lists. This method decreases the time complexity of membership tests from O(n) to O(1), enhancing scalability for larger inputs. The approach efficiently manages element selection and backtracking, ensuring a streamlined recursive process. Sudoku exemplifies backtracking. Fill a 9x9 grid ensuring each row, column, and 3x3 subgrid contains digits 1 to 9. Identify the next empty cell, attempt digits 1 to 9, and solve recursively. If a contradiction arises, backtrack. Ensure placements don't breach constraints. Optimize by selecting the cell with the fewest valid options, reducing backtracking. To implement Sudoku solving, define a function to check if a number is valid in a given row, column, and 3x3 box. Use backtracking to fill empty cells, trying numbers 1 to 9. If a number is valid, place it and recursively solve. If a contradiction arises, backtrack by resetting the cell and trying the next number. In combination generation, order doesn't matter. We generate all ways to choose k elements from n elements using a backtracking approach. By passing a start parameter, we ensure combinations are generated in lexicographic order, avoiding duplicates. For example, C4.2 yields combinations like 1, 1, 3, and 2, 3. Subset generation, or the power set, involves creating all possible subsets of a given set, including the empty set and the set itself. For a set of size n, there are 2 in subsets. Unlike combinations, every recursive state is a valid subset, ensuring comprehensive coverage of all potential groupings. Pruning strategies enhance optimization by halting exploration of unpromising branches early. Constraint propagation eliminates invalid options immediately after a choice. Ordering heuristics prioritize promising or constrained choices. Memoization caches subproblem results, preventing redundant calculations when the same state is reached via different paths. The word search problem involves checking if a word exists in a 2D board by constructing it from sequentially adjacent cells. Start by identifying cells with the first letter, then recursively explore all 4 directions for subsequent letters. Temporarily mark visited cells to prevent reuse, and unmark them during backtracking to explore alternative paths. The word search implementation uses backtracking to determine if a word exists in a 2-dimensional board. Starting from each cell, it recursively explores all 4 directions, marking cells as visited. If the word is found, it returns true. Otherwise, it backtracks, unmarking cells to explore other paths. This ensures all possible paths are checked efficiently. Palindrome partitioning involves splitting a string into substrings where each is a palindrome. Using backtracking, we explore all possible partitions, checking each substring for palindromicity. An optimization is pre-computing palindromes with a 2D dynamic programming table, minimizing redundant checks. This approach efficiently combines backtracking with dynamic programming principles. Exploring letter combinations from phone numbers involves mapping digits to letters, similar to a phone keypad. Using backtracking, we generate all possible combinations by iterating through each digit's corresponding letters. For instance, 23 maps to add A, F, BD, B, BF, CD, CE, CF. This approach efficiently explores all potential letter sequences. Avoid common pitfalls in backtracking. Use result.append path to prevent all entries from pointing to the same list. Always undo state changes after recursion to ensure correct exploration. Validate choices before recursing to avoid unnecessary calls. Avoid modifying inputs in place. Use copies or restore them properly. Backtracking is ideal for exploring all solutions and problems with exponential solution spaces, especially when subproblems don't overlap significantly. Dynamic programming excels when seeking a single optimal solution, leveraging overlapping subproblems and optimal substructure. Combining both can enhance efficiency, using backtracking for enumeration and dynamic programming for constraint validation. Backtracking's time complexity is OBD, where B is the branching factor and D is the maximum depth, making it exponential. Space complexity is OD, tied to recursion stack depth. Pruning can reduce runtime by 2 to 10 times. Implement early termination checks and prioritize exploring constrained or likely successful options to enhance performance. Knight's Tour challenges you to find a sequence where a knight visits every square on a chessboard exactly once. Graph coloring involves assigning colors to graph vertices, ensuring no 2 adjacent vertices share the same color. Generate parentheses requires creating all combinations of well-formed parentheses for n pairs. Subset sum focuses on finding all subsets of numbers that sum to a target value. Master the choose, explore, unchoose pattern as your foundation in backtracking. Prune aggressively to differentiate from brute force by validating choices before recursing. Manage state meticulously to avoid bugs. Build intuition through practice, starting with classic problems. With proper pruning and heuristics, backtracking efficiently solves complex real-world problems.